Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I make motivational, why do I just say channel like 5 times? Anyways, I make motivational, fun and lifestyle content, and if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I'm teaching you guys how to start valuing yourself, because most people or most teenagers, they bring down their standard just to fit in with society or just to fit in generally. Anyway guys, so let me just get started. The first way to start valuing yourself is to recognize your strengths. We all have strength. Like, I have things I'm good at, you have things that you're good at. So write them down, make a list of the things that you're good at. And if you're not sure, ask your friends, ask your family that, hey, what am I good at? Let me know. Like, tell me about myself, tell me things that you like about me. The second way to start valuing yourself is to not compare yourself to other people. Comparison is a thief of joy. Trust me, it is a thief of joy. Do not compare yourself to someone that you don't even know. Like, they are just showing you pictures of when their life is good, like the peak of their life. That is what they're showing you, not what they go through like day to day. You don't know what they are going through basically. So don't compare yourself to me or to someone else that you see. Let me read what I have in my notes for you guys. Gauging your worth and value from outside sources is just a way of ignoring your awesome accomplishments. I'll put it on the screen so you guys can read it with me as well. Gauging your worth and value from outside sources is just a way of ignoring your awesome accomplishments. I'll just leave that there, so guys, think about it. The third way to start valuing yourself is by learning and embracing mistakes. Most people are really scared of mistakes, and it's not meant to be so. Like, if you don't make a mistake, how will you know what the next step to take is, or what the right answer is, or something? Don't be scared of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn, they help you gain more knowledge. So do not be scared of mistakes. Embrace them like, yeah, they're part of life and they're a stepping stone to success. The next way to start valuing yourself is to take every opportunity to develop yourself. Self-development is the best thing that you can do for yourself, and I'm very sure that you clicking to watch this video is a step towards self-development, and that is very good. Develop yourself every way that you can. If you like something, watch courses, take courses online to be better. If you love something, practice it, keep doing it over and over again until you're good at it. Write a stream of consciousness. Just do things that will help you meditate and move your life forward. And also, reflection is the key, guys. Like, just sit down and think about things that you've done well in the past week, or to make it even simpler, today, think of what you've done well, what has gone good and what has gone bad, and why the things that has gone bad went bad. So just write down the reasons and steps to make sure that tomorrow is not the same as today. The last way to start valuing yourself is to have a friend that will always have your back. Like, if you're down, the person always motivates you. This can be your parent, your guardian, your friend, your sibling, like anybody that you can trust, and the person trusts you as well. Not a fake friend. No to fake friends. Yeah, just look for someone that can motivate you, and the person will also let you be aware of your self-value. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and in the comment section below, please tell me how you appreciate yourself the more every single day. Thank you so much for watching. Like I've said, stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated. Like, comment, subscribe if you're not already, and don't forget to drink some water and mind your business. Bye guys.